Hey, brother, I'm finally handing this in now. Okay, so we're gonna do it. Just gonna right-click all these things. Go through them. Sorry, excuse me. Home, Canon products, explosive products, miscellaneous, rocket, and trap. Then I guess I'll just open up one of each. There's that, that, and that. And since they're all basically the same page, let me just validate. We're good. And let's check the CSS. We're good. Alright. We're here at the TNT. We'll do about everything. Just gotta make it look pretty, but for now, this is what I'm just gonna leave it off at. Get there. And we're good here. Alright. And we got the instant hole, the rocket, and the female roadrunner cutout. You got everything here. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for letting me hand this in late, brother. Good night.